Everyone is trying to become happy with society, friendship and love. Children, wife, friends, money and house and land. This is the conception of material. So Arjuna is thinking in material concept of life. He is not thinking that my ultimate goal is to satisfy Krishna. This is the Bhagavad Gita's purpose. That is Krishna consciousness. One has to change to satisfy Krishna, not to satisfy himself or the family or the society or the nation. No. Whether Krishna is satisfied, that is the criteria. That is ultimate goal. Tasmin tushte jagat tushte. If Krishna is satisfied, then other things will be automatically satisfied.